Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about Canva. How you can design a template or how you can design your Instagram post, your Facebook post, your YouTube thumbnail, how you can design all that in Canva and how you can make logos using Canva. So first of all, we need to go to canva.com. So this is canva.com, okay? So this one is the home page. So this one is a template like whichever style you want to create. If you want to create Instagram stories, you can check these templates, and this is for Instagram posts, this is for Facebook posts and Facebook covers. So Canva has already given us the template for our use. So whichever style, whichever design you like, you can just choose that one. And this one is for the invitation cards, this one for the business presentation. You can also make presentation using Canva. You can make logos using Canva, you can make business cards, you can make posters, you can also edit videos using Canva. So let's select one template here. This is for Instagram post. Just select that one, double click, and then this one is for the pro version. Like if you have made the subscription of Canva, then you can use this template, or otherwise you can use, if you haven't subscribed, you haven't taken the subscription, then you can use this free template. Also you can choose the free option from here, and you can just check out these beautiful templates whichever you want. Let's say you can edit anything on this, everything on this template. So let's say I just chosen this template. So can you see, like whenever we hover this mouse, this gets selected. So I can change the background color and then the text. Okay. So here is the effect option. So if I'll choose this one, it will get changed to pink. Now if I want to go back to that design, I'll go to Control Z. I'll just type Control Z here. No, actually that is being replaced by pink color, so I'll use the delete option. Wait a second, just so I was using this template. I'll choose this one. Now if I want to change the this text, let's say we want to make it bold, so we will click that bold. So you can see here, these are the font styles. You can choose any of the above, like this one or this one, so the text will be displayed in that format. Let's say I just chosen this one, or let's say this one. So the font is being replaced by that font. Now here you can increase or decrease the font size. And this one is for the text color. If you want the text color to be one of the color, then you can choose any. I'll choose yellow, and this is to make the text bold, and this one is to make the text italics. Can you see the difference? This is the italic text. Again, this is to make the text underline. Again, this one is for the uppercase. Starting from the uppercase, each letter will start from the uppercase. And this one is for the alignment. Like if you want to align the text, you can just click on the alignment, and the style will be aligned to that format. Let's say I want it to be centered aligned. This one is for the list. Like if you want to make a list, so this is list, the bullet is of circle. Again here is the spacing option. Like if you want to add spaces between the words lines, you can use this. Like if you select the letter spacing, the space will be more between the letters, and the space will be more in the line between the lines. Okay. And again, if you want to animate the text, just choose on the animate option and then this one. So the photo is being animated here. And if you want to download this one, you can just check this button. This is download button. Or you can add more you want to add more pages, then you can check this add pages option. This is the add pages option. And if you want to copy the same design onto another page, you can just check this button. This is duplicate page. And again, if you want to style this again of different color, you can just choose that one. So this is the one. And if you want to download it, this is the download option. And you can see this is for transparent background. If you want a transparent background, you need to be a pro version. So just download this one. I don't want to be a transparent background, so I just downloaded this page. Again, if you want to upload some files from your computer and you don't have the design in Canva, so you'll just need to go to upload option. Just go to upload option and you can upload any of the images. Upload media, go to upload media, go to device, and you can choose any of the images or videos. You can just upload that one. Again, here is the element option. Just go to elements and you can search any elements here. This is the flower option. This is flower, photos, nature. You can just choose any element from here. Like if I want to add this element, I can just drag and drop this element here. So that was being replaced. So this is the element I want to add into my page. I want to decrease its size. So this is the one. Again, there are so many templates here. Again, so there are so many templates here. You can search any of the templates or go to just home page and you will find the option to choose the templates. Like if you want to create a YouTube channel art, you can just go here and check all the templates here. Again, this is features. Like if you want to add some photos to your design, then you can just check this one, like free photos, and you can include that one in your design. So these are the design, these are free photos. You can just double click this one and it will, so it is asking me to use in a design, like, so you need to choose that option. Then there are so many backgrounds here and you can choose any of the background for your designs. There is food and you can choose any photos from here. Just go to Canva and go to feature and you will find all those photos here. And again, if you want some icons for your design, you can just check out this social media icons or business icons, and you can just use that one in your design. So there are so many designs, so many icons here. You can just double click this one and use in a design. Just do that one and it will be applied to your design. And here is the, if you want to download Canva to your device, you can just go on download Canva for Windows. You can see that one in the right hand side. That is Canva for Windows. You can just download the Canva app also. And if you want to see all your designs which you have created, where is that design? So it will appear in this one, all your designs. And if someone shares a design with you, it will appear here. So that's it for Canva. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button or share this with your friends so that it will be helpful to them also, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.